Hi, welcome back to my channel. Wait, stop. It would be too easy to start over like this as if nothing had happened. It's been a good few months since my last video. I would have so much to say and explain, but I would not know where to start or what word to use. So I decided to simply not explain it and move on. Probably most of you don't even care about it, so that's fine. I asked on Instagram for more video ideas, and let me tell you, some of your ideas are just too good. I will definitely do them. But today I want to start with this video, a simple video, a video that represents a new beginning for me. This is my new beginning, Wednesday, 1st December 2021. I have so many good things, but I also have flaws. I would like to change so many things about my way of being, but as you know, it takes time. Wait. I think I expressed myself not in the correct way. I don't want to change, but I want to improve myself. I know this will take time, but this is why I'm back on YouTube. YouTube helped me a lot. So I'm starting this new chapter of my life on YouTube again for me. Again for me. Yes. It's so nice to know that you have a special place you can rewatch or revisit your past. I'm so happy with what I was posting, but unfortunately, it does not represent me anymore. Today's Nia is more aware of what she wants. Don't get me wrong, I'm always insecure and get caught up in the little thing, but hey, nobody's perfect, and that's what makes us different from each other. Being different make me unique and make you unique as well. I will be unlucky to tell you that I will post regularly because I will most likely not to succeed. I'm really sliding this thing, but I have so much to say and share that I will do my best to be consistent. Now, let's talk about you. This virus has turned reality upside down. I know everything seems complicated to you now, but trust me, you are stronger than you think. Every goal that you have can be achieved. I used to get down too, but now I'm trying to find myself. So please do the same. Fighting against yourself to succeed. I believe in you as much as I believe in myself. Let's start this journey together. You are free to follow me or not. Your choice. Last thing, be strong and safe. With love, Neha.